Express the following in the terms of ratios. First question is the length of a rectangle is 5 times to its breadth. So the length of rectangle is 5 times to its breadth. You have to write in the ratio. How to write? So what is given here? Let the breadth of a rectangle equal to x. Okay. So we don't know breadth of a rectangle. That's why we are taking x. And next, what is the length? Length of a rectangle. Length of a rectangle, what is given here? 5 times to its breadth. Okay. 5 times to its breadth. 5 times to its breadth means breadth is here what we are taking x. 5 times means 5 into x. How much? 5x. Okay, ma'am. Next, you have to write in the ratio. Express the following in the terms of ratio. Okay. Now, ratio of length and breadth. Ratio of length and breadth. Length how much? 5x is to breadth how much? X. 5x is to x. Here x, here x will be cancelled. So what is the answer? 5 is to 1. Here not the ratio 1 is 1. 5 is to 1 is the ratio. Okay, ma'am? Did you understand? Come on, write. Next, see the second question. For preparing coffee, 2 cups of water required to 1 cup of milk. So for preparing coffee, 2 cups of water required to 1 cup of milk. Okay. So you have to write in the ratio. Ratio of water and milk. Ratio of water and milk. Water how many cups? 2 cups. Is to milk. Milk how many cups? 1. So 2 is to 1 is the answer. Okay, ma'am. Right. Express the following in the simplest form. So here ratios given, you have to convert into simplest form. First question is 24 is to 9. So 24 is to 9. You have to convert into simplest forms. How to convert? These two numbers will divide into which number? 3. Okay. How many times? 3 8 24 is to 3 is 9. So 8 and 3. 8 and 3 will be divisible any number? Not there any number. So 8 is to 3 is the simplest form. Okay. Right. Yes, ma'am. Second one is 144 is to 12. 144 is to 12. So these two numbers will be divisible by which number? 2. 12 is there. First we go to 2. Okay. 2 7 14, 2 2 4. Here 2 6 12. Okay. Next 2 3 6. 1 is remaining 12. 2 6 12. 2 3 6. Next which these two numbers will be divisible by 3. 3 12s. 3 ones. So 12 is to 1 is the simplest form. Right. Next, third one, 961 is to 31. Third one is 961 is to 31. So do the simplest one. How to do? So 31 is a prime number. It's not divisible any number. 961. In which table it will be divisible? 31 table one. How many times take it? 31 into 31. 1 ones 1, 1 3 is 3. 3 ones 3. 3 3 is 9. 1 4. 941 is there. So it is not divisible any number. 961. So 961 is to 31. Why? Because 31 is a prime number. So it is not a divisible any number. That's why you have to give it like that only. 31 into 31 to 1 ones 1, 1 3 is 3. 3 ones 3, 3 3 is 9. So 31 into 31 how much? 961. So 31 table. 31 is to 1. Fourth question, 1575 is to 1190. So here last digit is 5, here last digit is 0. So which table it will be divisible? 5 table. Okay, take 5 table. 5 3 is 15. Okay, 5 0 0. 5 1 is 5. 2 is remaining. 5 1 is 5. 2 is remaining. 5 1 is 25. Here 5 2 is 10. 5 is remaining 19. 5 3 is 15. 4 is remaining. 5 8 is 40. Here 5 will come. Here 8 will come. Any possible? Any table? If not possible, I can leave it like that. Okay. Third one is write the antecedents and consequents of the following ratios. Here you have to write the antecedents and consequents of the following ratios. I told what is antecedent and what is consequent. Yesterday I told the antecedent and consequent now. First term of the ratio, first term is called antecedent, second term is called consequent. So here what is antecedent? Antecedent equal to what is antecedent here? 36. And consequent equal to 73. First term is called antecedent, second term is called consequent. Okay, ma'am? Right. Like that, you can do remaining first 2, 3, 4 homeworks. Okay, ma'am? Write in HW and send it to my WhatsApp number. Find the ratios of the following in their simplest form. So you have to find the ratios in the simplest form. You have to write. First one is 25 minutes. 25 minutes to 55 minutes. So 25 minutes to 55 minutes. That is how to write this one. 25 is to 55. Okay, now you have to convert into simplest form. Which table you have to take? 5, 5, 5, 11. So 5 is to 11 is the simplest form. Okay, ma? Right. Next, second one, 45 seconds to 30 minutes. 45 seconds to 30 minutes. In the ratio, what we learned here, it will be comparing two quantities of the same kind. But here same kind is there, here seconds is given, here minutes is given. So you have to convert it to minutes to seconds. So 1 minute equal to how many seconds children? 60 seconds. 1 minute equal to 60 seconds. So 30 minutes. 30 minutes equal to 30 into 60 seconds. How much? 3 6 18 0 0. So 1800 seconds. Now it will be both are in seconds. Now you have to find the ratio. 45 seconds is to 100 1800 seconds. Okay. Table. Find table takes 5 9 45. 5 3 is 15. 3 is remaining. 30. 5 6 30. 0. Okay, 3 table. 3 3s. 3 1s 3 3 2s 6 0. 3 1s 3. 3 4s 12 0. So what is the ratio? 1 is to 40. Right. 4 meters 20 centimeters to 8 meters 40 centimeters. So 4 meters 20 centimeters, that means 420 is to 840. 0 0 will be cancelled. Take two table. 2 2s 4, 2 1s 2. 2 4s 8, 2 2s 4. 3 sevens, 3 1s 3, 3 4s 12. 7 1s 7 2s. So what is the ratio? 1 is to 2. Next question what is given here? 5 liters to 0.75 liters. So 5 liters to 0.75 liters given here. Here decimal point is given. So you have to remove the decimal point. How to remove the decimal point, children? Liters. 1 liter is equal to how many milliliters? 1 liter is equal to 1000 milliliters. Okay, ma'am. So 5 liters. 5 liters equal to 5 into 1000 milliliters. How much? 5000 milliliters. Here 0.75 liters equal to 0.75 into 1000 milliliters. Okay, you have to multiple with 1000 means here how many zeros are there? 1, 2, 3 zeros. So this decimal point moved to 3 places, right side. Okay, so 1, 2, 3. Here 3, third time is not there any number, so you have to write 0. So what is the answer? 750 milliliters. Okay, ma'am. Now it will be decimal point will be removed here. Now you have to write. So how many milliliters will get? 5000 milliliters is to 750 milliliters. Okay, now do the calculation. 0, 0. 5 table take 5 ones 5, 0, 0. 5 ones 5, 2 is remaining, 5 5 is 25. 5 20s, 5 3s. So what is the simplest form? 20 is to 3. Right. Next, fifth question, see. 4 weeks. 4 weeks to 4 days. 4 weeks to 4 days. Here weeks given, here days given. So you have to convert weeks into days. So 1 week is equal to how many days given? 1 week is equal to 7 days. So here 4 weeks. 4 weeks equal to 4 into 7 days. How much? 4 sevens? 28 days. Okay, now do the ratio. 28 days is to 4 days. How many times? 2 ones to 2 fours 8. 2 twos. 2 sevens, 2 ones. So what is the ratio? 7 is to 1. Okay, Maharaj. Okay, okay, right. This one not completed. Okay. Sixth one. 5 dozen to 2 scores. 5 dozen to 2 scores. Here units is dozen given, here scores given. There is different. So you have to convert it to items. 1 dozen equal to how many items? 1 dozen is equal to how many items? 1 dozen means 12. So 5 dozen. 5 dozen is equal to 5 into 12. How many? 16. And next here 1 score. 1 score is equal to how much? 20 items. 1 score is equal to 20 items. So here what is given? 2 scores. 2 scores is equal to 2 into 20. How many? 40. Now find the ratio. 16 is to 40. 0, 0. 2, 3, 6. 2 2s 2. So what is the ratio? 3 is to 2.